Hey kindergartners, today I want to do a math activity with you with some things that I found around my house. I wanted to do a lot of counting today, so I found all these pieces of pasta that I was going to use to count. Now you can watch me first and then try this on your own with other items around your house that you want to count. So maybe you have popsicle sticks, maybe you have pasta like I do, maybe you have beans or something else that you and your parents can find where you have a lot of things and you can count them. I want you to try to find something like that today around your house or your yard. Can you do it? All right, my friends. Today I'm going to be taking all of my pasta and I'm going to be grabbing some amounts of them and counting them. But before I count them, I want to make an estimate. So let's just get started. I'm going to put my pasta over to the side and I'm going to grab a handful. I don't know how much I grabbed, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make an estimate. I'm going to guess with my math knowledge about how much I think I have here, how many pieces of pasta. When we make a good math guess, that is called an estimate. So I'm going to make an estimate here. I'm going to write estimate. And then for my estimate, I'm going to make a guess. So, do I think it's less than 10 or over 10? I think mine is over 10. Do I think it's over 20? Maybe it's close to 20. So I think I'm going to estimate 20. My estimate is going to be 20 pieces of pasta. Now, I might be totally off, and that's okay. Every time I do this, I might get a little bit better and better. The point is just to do our very, very best. So when I count my pasta and I look at this, it's really hard to tell how much I have. When you have a lot of items that you need to count, one awesome strategy for counting is by making groups of 10 and then ones. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to count by ones, but then make groups of 10, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a group of 10. Now I'm going to make another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's another group of 10. Now I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Friends, I couldn't make 10. I only had 9 here. So I'm going to lay them out like this. And I'm going to remember that this is 9. Let me write that down. These are 9 pieces of pasta, and this is 10, and this is 10. Now, one quick way that we can add all of these up is by counting by tens and then count 9 more. Let's try. 10, 20. Try again. 10, 20. Then we count on. What comes after 20? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So the actual number of pasta pieces that I had was 29. I thought I was only going to have 20, 10, 20, but I actually had 9 more than my estimate. And that's okay. I did my very, very best. All right, friends, are you ready to try again? All right, I'm going to put all these pasta pieces back, and I'm going to try again. I'm going to grab some pasta. I'm going to try to grab more this time. Look at all these pasta pieces. And I'm going to spread them out, and I want you to notice, if you look right here, it's kind of hard to tell how much I have. I think I grabbed more than last time. Maybe I doubled it. Let me do an estimate. My estimate this time, I think I'm going to make a guess, or an estimate of 40 pieces of pasta. How many do you think I have? Now, counting when they're all laid out like this is kind of hard. So like I said, we are going to figure out the actual number. I'm I'm making groups of 10 and then whatever is left over. It's going to be a lot easier to tell that way how much pasta I have. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. And I have one more. All right, guys. Now that it's laid out like this, let's check how much pasta I have, and it's going to be a lot easier to count because remember, these are groups of 10, so we can just count by 10s and see how much is left. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. And what comes right after 40? It's 41. Good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Good job, friends. So now it's a lot easier to count laid out this way. We did this. 10, 20, 30, 40, and then this one was 41. 41 pieces of pasta. Wow, I got really close to my estimate. I got really lucky. There was actually 41 pieces of pasta, and I guessed my estimate was 40. So I only was short one. I guessed 40, but it was 41. So the actual number of pasta was one more than my guess or my estimate. That was pretty lucky. Awesome, friends. Let's do one more. I'm gonna grab some pasta. I'm gonna grab a little bunch now. I'm gonna lay it out here. Now, again, when it's laid out like this, it's kind of confusing to count this way. Let's try to organize it. Before we do though, let's make an estimate. Our estimate is our guess. What's your estimate? How many do you think I have right now? Try not to count them. All right, friends. My estimate, I'm gonna guess that I have 15 pieces of pasta. Now let's check my estimating skills. Instead of just counting by ones, let's put 10 out and then any extras, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are we ready to count now? 10. Do I go to 20? No, I count on. 10. What comes right after 10? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, I landed on my estimate. I was so lucky. Now this was 10 pieces of pasta, and one more was 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, and then 15. There was actually 15 pieces of pasta, just like my estimate. I just got really lucky. All right, friends, your challenge for today is to find something around your house. It could be pasta like this, or like I said, beans, or maybe there are leaves outside, but I want you to grab a bunch of them. Then I want you to make a guess or an estimate for how many there are, and then I want you to group them up in groups of 10 and then ones with anything left over to see how many you have. Can you do it? Yes, you can. I believe in you. Keep working hard. Bye.